just wanted to take the time to make a video and talk a little bit about some things I've seen going on and heard feeling people talking about it. Kind of the age group and whatnot. So, people have been talking a lot about nostalgia recently for the, 90s, 2000s, whatever. Talking about the feelings different, the vibes off, the streetlights are different. Blockbuster's gone, all this other stuff. I just feel that things aren't as good as they once were, and things are getting worse. So, and the whole perception experience for them has changed, and this kind of gives them a sense of nostalgia. And we talk about it a lot, and I see a lot on kind of the internet as a whole. All right, so I think nostalgia is two things, really. The primary thing is as you get older and you change, your perception of time changes. Because at times a relativistic unit of measurement we assign to the universe to help us keep track of the movement of matter and how things change and go from form to form. It's a convention. It's a mathematical convention. So when we apply that to our literal perception of reality, right? Some strange things happen. Primarily, since we observe things relativistically and units are not relativistic, they're very standardized, our experience of them changes over time. So, like when you're young, and everyone knows this, like when you're young, time goes slow. As you get older, time goes faster. Because the amount of time that's passing is relative to the amount of time that you have for reference is much smaller. It's a marginal decline, right? So I think part of it is that as things go faster for people, life seems more chaotic because, more happens, or you perceive more to be happening quicker. So I think being able to slow yourself down as you get older is incredibly important. One, just because, for your own health, you gotta kind of slow down eventually so you don't start pulling muscles and breaking hips. But also in that you have to be cognizant that your perception of time is increasing or is speeding up. So you have to be, it gets harder to be present in the moment because the moment becomes more and more fleeting, if that makes sense. So that's part of it. I think that adds to stress. So people at some level want to go back to a time where it felt like time itself moved slower. But that's just part of getting older, which is, I think, the reoccurring part of nostalgia is everyone kind of feels that to a degree, right? It's part of the human experience. But the other part of it is environmental, and we can talk about the environmental source of nostalgia basically as a stress response, right? So there are periods in time where things are good, things are easy, there's a lot of resources, a lot of surplus, environmental stress is low for most people. And they subconsciously kind of associate this with the theme of the era, right? Let's go for the 90s or the 70s or whatever. It's like the colorful backdrops, the yellow lights, the smells, the noises. And they associate that as a location. It's a location in space and time to them, right? So, when we think about nostalgia today, it's not so much that, today's bad and yesterday was better. Well, that's part of it, but it's more that the environmental stress today on most people is more than it was back then, and they're not so much. It's not like they want to go back. It's not like they want to replace all the lights with yellow street lights again. I mean, maybe they do, but that's not going to get them what they want. What they want is the return to a lower environmental stress level that they had back when we used to put yellow lights in the street lamps. And getting back to that, I think doesn't have anything to do with the lights. It's all about how society's working in general, right? Yeah, I mean, fixing that's a topic for another video, but to get into it a little bit, like, you know, people to get a sense of today being good, you gotta kind of pick up your production, get your resource surpluses going, so you can feel a low environmental stress level. And then, in 30 years or whatever, they can talk about, their lights will be pink, and they'll be talking about how life was better when the lights used to be white. Anyways, that's just kind of what I wanted to say, just about nostalgia. Just try to keep to it's not that you miss what used to be. I mean, you might miss what used to be, but it's more that you miss how you felt when what used to be. And recapturing that, I think, isn't so much about the time and the place, but kind of about your experience of yourself. And that, I don't think, is sequestered to a time. That can be any time. You gotta work at it. And take it easy. I think taking it easy is important. Anyways, I hope you got something out of that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the compilation of 90s commercials. And, hope we were able to have a good day. Bye.